Yeah. Okay, it's time for my special cleaning tactic. Oh no, what did you do? So this cube is really dirty. Blooper. Keep it in. Blooper. Okay, so that did not happen. Anyways, this cube is very dirty and we will be trying to clean it in only 2 minutes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So you just got clickbaited. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds instead of 3 minutes. Okay, so the cube is here disassembled and we have all these things to clean. Anyway, let's start.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's go, come on.
Okay. Oh.
This is just so dirty. Oh no.
Did you seriously do painting on this cube?
Normally I would take like half an hour to clean this kind of
But
dirt.
now we're speedrunning this, so let's go.
Yes, we are speed running this. Oh no! Disaster!
12 seconds later.
Oh!
Okay, 2 minutes is left.
Okay, so it's time for my special cleaning tactic.
Oh no.
It's my special cleaning tactic. Let me show you guys how to clean your cube in only 3 minutes. And then you just... It doesn't work, but it's fun. Okay, so as you can see, my cleaning strategy has worked and all the pieces are clean. So as you can see, we have almost cleaned 2% of the cube and 98% of the dirt is still there.
Yeah.
And we're out of time.
Almost. Shit.
So this is the final result and as you can see, most of the dirt hasn't even gone, but that's fine. The table is also a bit dirty and this cloth is also dirty. Oh, and these are the tensioning tools which we didn't even use. So yeah, hit like and leave a comment please.
And also subscribe.